Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Hey gorgeous souls, it's your girl, Marilyn Tanvir, and I am so excited to be talking to you today about something that can truly transform your life: passive income. That's right, we're diving into the highest paying passive income ideas for women in 2024. Because who doesn't love the idea of money flowing in while you sleep, sip margaritas on a beach, you know, the dream, or simply have more time and energy to pursue your passions? If you're ready to kiss the 9-to-5 goodbye, or at least give it a side eye, create true financial freedom, and design a life you love, you are in the right place. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to building a rock-solid financial future. You ready? Let's dive in. Okay, let's break down this whole passive income thing. Now, it's not about getting rich quick. That's a myth, my friend. Passive income is about creating sustainable income streams that require less of your direct time and effort. It's about planting seeds today that will grow and flourish, giving you freedom and flexibility. Imagine having money flowing in consistently, even if you take a vacation or start a passion project. That's the power of passive income. It empowers you to design your dream life. Building passive income requires an initial investment of time, energy, and sometimes money. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. Imagine waking up and seeing you've made money overnight. That's the beauty of passive income. It works for you, even while you're asleep. No more trading time for money. No more feeling stuck in the rat race. Passive income is about creating financial freedom and unlocking opportunities. Are you ready to unlock yours? Let's dive into some incredible passive income ideas perfect for women like you. First up, we're diving into the world of dividend investing. And no, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to rock this. It's like planting seeds of wealth that grow over time. So, how does it work? Basically, you buy shares of companies. Think big names you know and love, or even those hidden gems. And those companies share a portion of their profits with you, their investor, in the form of dividends. It's like getting thank you checks in the mail just for being a savvy investor. Dividend investing is all about playing the long game. You invest in solid companies with a history of paying dividends, and over time, those dividends start adding up. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income, build long-term wealth, and watch your money work harder for you. And here's a little secret: reinvesting those dividends, that's where the magic really happens. It's like compounding interest on steroids. You're basically using your dividend earnings to buy even more shares, which then generate even more dividends. Talk about a beautiful cycle of wealth. So, are you ready to become a savvy investor and watch your money grow? Dividend investing could be your golden ticket. Next up, we're talking about a classic wealth-building strategy: rental properties. Now, I know what you might be thinking. MD, that sounds like the opposite of passive. But hear me out, because with a little creativity and the right strategy, rental properties can be a fantastic source of passive income. Here's the deal. You buy a property, rent it out to awesome tenants, and collect those sweet, sweet rental checks every month. And the best part? You're building equity and wealth in real estate, which is a tangible asset that tends to appreciate over time. Now, I get it, being a landlord isn't for everyone. But here's the thing. You can totally outsource the management to a property manager. They'll handle everything from finding tenants to collecting rent, leaving you free to enjoy the passive income flowing in. And guess what? It's not just about traditional long-term rentals anymore. Think outside the box. You could explore short-term rentals through platforms like Airbnb, venture into commercial real estate, or even invest in vacation properties. The world of real estate is your oyster. So, are you ready to become a real estate queen and unlock the passive income potential of property investing? All right, ladies, let's talk about one of my favorite ways to generate passive income: creating and selling online courses. Here's the thing. You are brilliant. You have unique skills, knowledge, and experience that the world needs. And guess what? People are craving what you know. They're eager to learn, grow, and invest in themselves. So why not package your expertise into an online course and share it with the world? Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do people always come to you for advice on? Whether it's photography, marketing, cooking, yoga, or anything in between, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Creating an online course is like creating a valuable asset that keeps on giving. You pour your heart and soul into creating it once, and then it can generate passive income for months, even years to come. Plus, you get to impact lives and make a difference while doing what you love. How amazing is that? So are you ready to step into your power, share your brilliance, and create a passive income stream that lights you up? The world is waiting for your magic. Next up, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. It's like having your own online storefront without actually having to create or manage any products. So cool, right? Here's the deal. You partner with brands and businesses you love and believe in, and you promote their products or services to your audience. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like getting a thank you bonus for spreading the word about amazing stuff. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's incredibly versatile. You can seamlessly weave it into your existing online presence, whether you have a blog, website, social media following, or even just an email list. And the best part? You don't need a huge audience to make it work. Focus on building a genuine connection with your tribe, sharing products and services you truly believe in, and watch the passive income roll in. So, are you ready to become a super affiliate and monetize your influence? Get out there, partner with brands you love, and start sharing those affiliate links. Let's talk about a passive income strategy that's perfect for those of you who love the idea of real estate investing but aren't quite ready to become landlords. It's time to dive into the world of REITs, or real estate investment trusts. Think of REITs like a shortcut to investing in real estate without the hassle of actually owning and managing properties. Basically, you invest in a company that owns and operates income-producing real estate like shopping malls, apartment buildings, or office spaces. It's like owning a tiny piece of a massive real estate empire. And the best part? REITs are required to distribute a significant portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. That means you get to enjoy the benefits of real estate investing, passive income, potential appreciation, and diversification, without having to deal with tenants, toilets, or late-night plumbing emergencies. So, are you ready to add some real estate magic to your passive income portfolio without the landlord headaches? REITs might just be your perfect match. Chapter 7. Peer-to-Peer Lending. Be the bank, make bank. All right, ladies, let's talk about a passive income strategy that's all about empowering others and earning some serious returns while you're at it. Peer-to-peer lending. Remember those days when banks were the only game in town for loans? Well, not anymore. With peer-to-peer lending platforms, you get to cut out the middleman and become the lender yourself. Here's how it works. You lend money to borrowers through online platforms, and in return, you earn interest payments on those loans. It's like playing banker, but way more fun, and potentially more profitable. You can choose to fund personal loans, business loans, or even real estate projects. And the best part? You get to choose your risk level and invest in borrowers and projects that align with your values. So, are you ready to put your money to work, make a real difference in people's lives, and earn passive income while you're at it? Peer-to-peer lending could be your golden opportunity. Chapter 8. Ebooks. Write once, profit forever. Calling all wordsmiths, storytellers, and knowledge enthusiasts. It's time to unleash your inner author and explore the world of ebook publishing. Because guess what? Those words you're crafting have the power to generate passive income for years to come. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What stories are burning to be told? Whether it's a how-to guide, a juicy romance novel, a collection of poetry, or a children's book, there's an audience out there waiting to devour your words. And here's the beauty of ebooks. You write it once, format it, design a killer cover, and then it's yours to sell online through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Every time someone hits that buy now button, you earn royalties. It's like having your own personal printing press working tirelessly for you 24/7. So, are you ready to share your stories, knowledge, and creativity with the world and create a passive income stream that celebrates the power of your words? Start writing, my friend, because your ebook empire awaits. Chapter 9. YouTube channel lights, camera, passive income. Let's talk about creating passive income online. Building a YouTube channel. If you love being in front of the camera and connecting with an audience, this one's for you. Create valuable videos, and as your channel grows, monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and selling products. Be consistent, create high-quality content, and engage with your viewers. As your videos gain traction, you'll start earning passive income from ads. Ready to hit record and share your voice with the world? YouTube stardom awaits. Outro: create your dream life through passive income. There you have it, gorgeous souls. 9 incredible passive income ideas that can help you boost your income, design a life you love, and create true financial freedom. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and consistency. But trust me, the rewards are so worth it. So choose the ideas that light you up, take action, and watch as you create a life filled with abundance, purpose, and freedom. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on financial freedom and business strategies. See you in the next video.